Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to use the so-called Track feature to quickly book Outlook appointments to projects and thus manage your project time tracking. Let's get started. Start InLoox Web App and click on Track in the menu on the left. Then switch to the Calendar tab. If you are using the feature for the first time, you must first give your consent for InLoox to read your calendar. To do this, click on Connect Microsoft Account. This may open a Microsoft window in which you must accept the authorization to read the calendar. You can also set all Microsoft permissions in detail under My Profile, Connected Accounts. Once you have given your consent, on the left-hand side, you will see an overview of all your personal calendar appointments. You can also change this list view to a calendar view on a monthly, weekly, or daily basis. On the right-hand side, you will see your project favorites. It makes sense to make a few settings at the beginning. Use the drop-down menu to select a different calendar. You can also select calendars from colleagues if they have been shared with you. Further customization options are in the three-dot menu. Decide whether ignored and private appointments should be displayed in the overview, whether the appointment body with descriptions should be transferred to the time entry, and whether time entries should be opened automatically after they have been tracked. You can also decide whether booked appointments should be marked with an InLoox category. If you are in the list view, you will see either an orange or green dot above the respective day. This traffic light system marks days with fully tracked appointments as green and days with untracked appointments as orange. To book the time of an appointment, first select the corresponding project on the right. You can now click on the Track Time button next to the corresponding appointment to create a time entry. By default, the subject, date, and duration of the appointment are automatically transferred. You can edit the time entry, for example if the appointment is lasted longer, or enter further details if required. When you are finished, you can close the entry and it will be saved automatically. The booked calendar appointment also shows a note tracked in the overview. Private appointments or appointments that should not be accounted for can be ignored. To do this, simply click on the Ignore button next to the relevant appointment. It works in a similar way in the calendar view. First, select the project for which you want to track an appointment. Now simply click on the symbol with the tick in the circle into the corresponding appointment. Here, too, the entry can be further adjusted afterwards. To ignore an appointment, click on the symbol with the crossed-out eye and the appointment will disappear from the view if this is set in the settings. By the way, with our InLoox for Outlook add-in, you can also book your appointments to projects quickly and easily directly within Outlook. If you are interested, take a look at the corresponding video. You have further questions about this or other InLoox features? Then contact us. We will help you quickly and easily. All contact details can be found on our website inloox.com.